To take part in Starlight Night is an honor and a responsibility. And for you first-timers, remember this. The children of cyberspace are counting on you.
Aunt Rusty?
What is it, Fluff?
Well, what happens if we mess up?
I have faith in you, kiddo. So does your dad. And he's pleased as punch you're taking his place here. Make him proud.
I'll try, Aunt Rusty. I really will.
Say, where are those Earth friends of yours?
They should be here any minute. Can we wait just a little longer?
Sorry, Fluff, we can't be late. Penguins, move out!
Digit!
Hey, Didge!
Hey, Didge.
Sheesh! What took you so long, Earthlies? The penguins already left.
Oh, no! Fluff really wanted us to be here for his first ever march to the Ice Palace.
No problem. We'll catch up.
But not without snow boots.
I bet that shoemaker has what we need. Be right back, Didge.
41, 42, 43.
Cool.
Oh, loose laces. I lost count. How can I help you?
We'd like some snow boots, please.
That's so. Well, firstly, those aren't snow boots. Those shoes have spikes. They're used to climb icy hills and things. These are made for the snow. But I'm taking inventory. I have to count how many pairs I have before I can give you any. 1 pair, 2 pairs.
Gosh,
7?
by the time he's done, Starlight Night will be over.
There's got to be a faster way to count them than 1 pair at a time.
I think there is. Excuse me,
41,
Mr. Shoemaker?
42, 43. Ow! Can't you see I'm counting?
Oh, sorry. I was just noticing that this compartment has 3 pairs, and this one has 3 pairs. Does each compartment have 3 pairs of snow boots in it?
Of course they do. What's your point?
Well, if each compartment has 3 pairs, you can count how many compartments you have, then multiply that number by 3 to find out how many pairs in all.
Check it out. This wall has 5 compartments going up. And 5 compartments going across. 5 times 5 is 25. So you have 25 compartments.
And since there are 3 pairs in each compartment, 3 times 25 is...
25, 50, 75. 75 pairs of snow boots. Done! Finished! I love it!
In fact, as long as the number of pairs in each compartment is the same, you can use the same method to count all your shoes.
Brilliant! I can finish my inventory in minutes instead of hours. Thank you, thank you, thank you! Now that I know how many snow boots I have, I can give you yours.
All right!
Awesome.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.